Hi, sometime back I did a video on why I made a switch from the usual human research and investment model to a human plus machine model. Now, some of you have asked me this question that we as First Global have a fairly elaborate system which uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc. to do that. But how do they use it at their level for do it yourself investing, and should they use it at all? My answer to that is yes, that even if you are making your investment decisions yourself, use systems even though they may not be as elaborate as the systems we use. For example, let us say you want to buy stocks with a certain growth rate, with earnings are growing above a certain number, a certain set of return ratios, or whatever, a certain PE band. So whatever is your criteria, whatever are your criteria, you put it into a system and then filter the stocks and see what comes out and invest in that or choose from that basket. Because what happens is that we think we are doing things according to a certain norm, but if you actually look at your portfolio, you will find a whole lot of stocks that don't meet those norms because you have bought them because some friend recommended it came on a WhatsApp or Telegram group, or you heard somebody on TV talking about it. So you are not even keeping to what you think is the right way to do things. So what a system forces you to do is at least to keep to what you think you should be doing and not let you deviate too far from that. And that has great value, because otherwise as human beings we tend to get carried away with a lot of things, and a lot of not just bias but also noise comes into play. If you see my earlier blogs and articles, I have written a lot about some of those things. So a system forces you to be systematic and not get carried away with our all too common human feelings. So whatever is your criteria, put it into a system. That's the takeaway.